ready this time.
Woo! You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
From all of us at Go Overseas,
we just want to say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for being imaginative.
Thank you for being inspiring.
Being so awesome.
for being spectacular,
For being creative. For being so Kiwi-tastic.
for being so passionate.
You're truly a part of the Go Overseas community.
And you've made the decision really, really, really,
Really,
really, really.
really part of us. So thank you.
Remember, just because you didn't get the full scholarship, you can still study abroad in New Zealand.
Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm the Study and Intern Abroad Director here at Go Overseas. I read each and every one of your applications and I must say that they were outstanding. The amount of creativity, passion, effort, imagination that went into each and every one of these applications was truly outstanding. I hope that regardless of the outcome of the scholarship, you still end up in New Zealand as an honorary Kiwi. Again, a huge thank you from all of us here at the Go Overseas team. We're truly a part of
So Go Overseas, we just want to say thank you. Oh, I said Go Overseas.
Damn it.
Ugh, I messed up.
Did you say creative?
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, go. Ready?
Count it down for me.
Okay, ready.